What's happening?
That.
That is happening.
Move.
Oh, sorry.
Get out the way. Get out the way.
Move. Censored.
Censored. Get out the way.
So I don't think the camera... Oh, no, it does recognize you when you have your face paint on. So what's happening right here?
I can't see your head, but... Let's just angle it a little higher. No, it's hard to see your head. It's like...
Why can't you angle it higher?
Well, then you can't see like stairs and your feet going up and stuff.
What do you think to...
Try it again.
I'll be walking away. Why don't you film it from up here? Oh yeah.
No. Plus, try to stay as far to the left as possible.
Why?
Because I don't want him to come in.
Is this for artistic
Because
purposes?
I can see your hand when you're walking in.
Like, what's back? The gloves
These
are...
are my gloves.
Yeah.
Why are you putting gloves on?
Because I like the full black look better.
Well, you can't see you in the shot.
Yeah.
It's Stanley Kubrick.
Yeah, it's Stanley Kubrick.
He would have gloves on even if he wasn't in the shot.
Okay, well, I can't see you at the start, but once you get up a little higher, I can start to see your hand and stuff. But
I don't want to see.
go. Nah.
What?
I said, I was just saying when I can see you in the shot.
Oh.
You just stop and look back and everything.
I thought you said nah.
Oh, you're trying to record the shadow?
Yeah.
Oh. Why don't you climb on the outside of the stairs?
No.
That looks natural.
It looks like you're climbing on the outside of the stairs.
Well, it was worth a shot, guys.
Chance I'm gonna try. Why don't you do it from like here?
Because then you go wrong.
I'll pass by it, but then you'll see my shadow for a bit.
Try it. Like just walk it.
We'll have to reposition the light so it's coming from in front.
This looks good though.
It does?
Yeah. Like I can, once you get like 4 or 5 up, I can very slightly see your hand on the side. But good.
Let's see my...
Or not. Now you're wearing brown glove.
I don't know where I put the black ones.
Stanley Kubrick.